In this video, I'll show you how to add a comment section in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the best way and the only way to add a comment section is within your blog post. Now, in order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom beside your profile, you want to head over to the right-hand side and click on the cog for settings. Now these settings will pop up from here. You want to head over to the left hand side and make sure that website is selected. Now on the right hand side, you want to scroll down until you find the blog preferences. So from here, click on blog preferences. Now once you have that, at the bottom, you want to choose the comment settings. From here, what you need to do is simply enable the comments globally. So on the left hand side, click on the circle. And once you do that, you will see a bunch of options here at the bottom. Now in here, you can select or deselect these options. These are the allow simple comment likes, require approval, allow anonymous comments, threaded comments, show avatars, and enable comments by default when posting. Now on the comment sort order, you can add the newest first or the most liked. And at the bottom, you can also auto disable comments to the default value. You can set a value. Let's say we want to disable the comments that are 100 days old. You can add comment flags. From here, we can simply add, let's say, 5 flags for auto moderation. I will just simply turn this off. And once you're done, head over to the top and right corner and click on save. Now, once you have your comment settings set up, it will automatically pop up within your blog page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.